Patricia Van Haren, family law attorney. Can I get child support raised based on the income of my ex's new spouse? In most cases, the answer is going to be no. The new spouse is not responsible for supporting the children, which means if you're paying support and your spouse remarries, the court is not going to look at their new spouse's income to determine that you should pay less support. Also, if you're receiving support and your spouse remarries, the court is not going to expect that your ex's new spouse should support your children. Now, there's maybe some cases where there is an exception. So, for example, if a couple is divorced and a spouse remarries and then decides they're going to quit their job and just live off of their new spouse, the court may choose to impute income, or they may look at the income of the new spouse in order to determine what child support is going to be. I had a case before where my client was the parent who had sole custody of the children. His wife had left him for somebody who made a significant amount of money and was considered an incredibly high earner, meaning their new spouse was making over $1 million a year. She didn't want to pay child support for her children, claiming that she was unemployed. In this case, the court looked at the lifestyle of the wife and looked at the benefit that the children that she had with her new husband had from his income. They did determine that it was in the best interest of the children that were living with my client to receive those same benefits. Therefore, they ruled that child support could be based on the income of the new spouse and ordered that her husband be able to produce his income tax returns in order for child support to be calculated. Now remember, these cases are rare and they're generally the exception to the rule. So if you have any questions about whether you should be receiving child support from your ex's new spouse, shoot us over an email or give us a call.